Hello, everyone. This is Paul John. I will be presenting on crime assessment um, of Kansas City. And for today's presentation, I'll be focusing mainly on the year 2017 and then 2018. And I'm going to be talking about uh, all the crimes in Kansas City, uh, especially the car thefts. Hope you enjoy this presentation. So this is introduction to my presentation. Um, but before we start, we need to define what crime is. So in my presentation, crime is any act that causes a felony and is explicitly illegal. Um, a crime is anything that causes a felony and then it's illegal. So I'm going to be talking specifically about two different data collections. That's the open data Kansas City and then the Kansas City Police Department crime data. And I use a Python programming to get all my findings, and then based on my findings, the quantity of illegal acts recorded in 2018 was 129 million 760,954. That was in 2018, and then in 2017 it was 130 million 910 and then 925. The normal and standard deviation of the information were discovered to be 649.28544 and then 670.6386 and then 1006 3748 and then 1023 7523 individual. Um, I use Python programming um, to get all my findings, and then based on my findings, the quantity of illegal acts recorded in 2018 was 129 million 760,954. That's just in 2018. In 2017, it was 130 million 910,000 and then 925. That's a lot of crime committed in a year. Um, but it is still a state that are really working towards bringing those numbers down. So that's a good thing. The normal and the standard deviation of the information we had discovered to be 649.28544 8544, and then 670.6386, and then 1006 and 0.3748, and 1023.7523 individually. So if you look at this, you're gonna see that it's a really good improvement. The problem that I faced while um, writing these projects and getting my research was the percentage of the crime, the way it keeps fluctuating. Like the numbers keep going up and down, and when the crime rate touched the peak, especially centering the auto theft, then it comes down. So it keeps going up and down. That was one of the biggest problems that I had. And then locations where vehicle theft happened most frequently will be focused by utilizing uh, the clustering analysis. So I'm going to be talking about results. Um, After doing my research uh, with the Kansas City Police Department database, um, after the research, I found out that there was a significant drop um, in crime rate in uh, in Kansas City, and which is a good thing. So, from the data set used for the assessment, the following results came out. So, in the time under review, the rate of vehicle theft dropped. So, the decrease, however, was not a major one, since in 2017, if the number of cases reported was 3,332, then in 2018 it went down to 3,226, dropping only 106 less cases. I know some people might say 106 is not a lot of number, but we're talking about crime. When you drop about 106%, 106 less cases in crime, that's a good sign that it is getting better, and you also hope for the best. Um, so this is a good thing that the crime rate is actually reducing. Um, Talking about limitations, um, my limitation was using Python um, to get all the needed information. It was a little bit tough um, trying to use it to get all my information that I needed and all the data and all those numbers. It was a little bit challenging for me. And then clustering analysis. It wasn't easy to coordinate and utilize uh, given the data set. So it wasn't an easy task to deal with the clustering analysis. Here comes my conclusion for this presentation. Um, Utilize advanced techniques and protocols to initiate data mining regardless of the difficulties it possesses. Um, like when I was doing my research about this project, uh, like using Python uh, to get all your data and all your numbers. Um, though it was difficult, but still worth it to still use it and then get uh, your accurate numbers and everything figured out. It was difficult, but at the end of the day, it's still worth it. And then crime data sets to discover a pattern that may be helpful to control crimes in the future. So this comes to the end of my um, presentation. Um, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. This is my reference, www.kshb.com/news save KC Kansas City, uh, fifth highest murder rate in US. Thank you. Bye.